foam spheres. The spheres have been covered with some sort of conducting paint. And now I'm charging a black piece of plastic here. And now I'm going to make electrical contact between the plastic and the spheres and hopefully transfer some charge. The gloves are to keep the oils from my hands from accruing on there. Let me just get out of the way. This is going to work. And so hopefully these will come to equilibrium and spread out into approximately an equilateral triangle. I'll give you all the dimensions in a minute, but this is a tough video to make, so I just want to make sure it was working before I wasted my time. Anyways.
It's like a green screen.
Oh yeah, we're making a vid here. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, we found the, yeah, anyways. Sorry about that. We're talking with the Chem Lab tech there. Does good work. All right, Angus, can you maybe get a shot from underneath?
Yeah.
And so the idea is this is settling in, and if I try to bring anything close to this, it's going to screw up the measurements. So I'm hoping you can just estimate from the size of the spheres the approximate spacing between these spheres when they reach equilibrium. We'll come back one more time in a minute. Let's go look at some parameters on the board. Let's leave that and try not to move too quickly. Whew. All right. So here are the specs for these things. When Angus gets over here, I'll pause for a second. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so the distance between the top of the sphere and the point of contact at the top for all those strings was about 84 centimeters. I measured it quickly, so let's say that's a 2 centimeter error margin. Over here, I measured several of these spheres. They were all about 31 millimeters within, say, a half of a millimeter, all right? And 6 of them, we threw them on the balance, and we found that 6 of them totaled 11.31 grams. And then the mass of the thread, if you have 1 meter of thread, it's about 0.07 grams. Not sure if you needed it, but I took that information just in case we might ask a question about that. Let's go back and take a look and see if those spheres have reached equilibrium now. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm going to try and move slowly so the wind from my body doesn't actually move them. Hopefully you can get an underneath shot. Okay, I'm going to try to throw a meter stick on here and just kind of eyeball it, but you can estimate from the sizes of the spheres. So, but when I bring this close, it polarizes them and they move. You see that? But just kind of looking at it closely, it's probably on the order of about 8 centimeters, plus or minus 5, but hopefully you can get a better measurement than that. Again, when I bring this meter stick close, it polarizes them and that screws everything up. You see that? All right, and if there were oils on the string, that would really screw up the charge because it would leak off and then it wouldn't repel as much. All right, let's call that good.